24 hours hackathon event. I welcome you all for this occasion of Hack Aryaverse. This event was executed within 20 days of time. So big round of applause for the organizing team. And thanks for all the mentors sitting and judges sitting on the dais. Full support by Anurag sir for the execution of this event. Because अगर इतने सारे लोग जो आपके सामने डाइस पर बैठे हैं उन लोगों का सपोर्ट नहीं हो, उनकी एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं हो, तो आप लोगों की मेंटरिंग नहीं होगी, राइट? सो दिस इज द पर्पस ऑफ द हैकाथॉन वेयर यू कैन गेट मैक्सिमम नॉलेज exchange from these senior leadership sitting on the dais as of now, and other some mentors sitting downstairs also by some companies. So you all have to take your full utilization of time of 24 hours where these people are going to guide you and you people are going to develop your thought with respect to your innovative mindset. Welcome all. Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone. So we have 5 members of team from the Microsoft. Just about the hackathon. So hackathon is, what do you think about the hackathon? Hackathon actually is not a competition. It is something like a event where you just give your idea. आप अपना idea present करते हो, आप यहाँ पे एक learning phase में आए हो. तो hackathon is something like a learning for you. आप यहाँ पे एक चीज मैं आपको यहीं पे बता देता हूँ कि don't think about number 1, 2, 3. You all are winners.
अगर आप इंडिया की बात करो, recently I met one of the guys in Mumbai. And they were actually the startup called Atom Bird. That's again the BLDC fans. जो आप IPL के अंदर भी ऐड सकते हैं. They all came from college campus. Atom का एक EV स्कूटर, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्कूटर का एक बहुत अच्छा वेंचर है. It's all started from campus. Razorpay, राजस्थान का जयपुर का startup is started from college campus, which we mentored by us. Unacademy been mentored by us.
And then you should understand how we are going to solve the problem. Now the challenge is, most of us in life are always thinking how to solve a problem without thinking why. So when you look at your problem today, try to understand why are you solving this, what is the pain here, and then see that what you are actually achieving by that, and then start thinking how to solve that, instead of directly coming to the conclusion that how we are going to solve it. I wish you all the best.
The success is your your learning ability continuously, your attitude, your consistency, your conviction towards your dreams. That is the success. So that's very, very important. And couple of things, as I said, never learn to be pass. Always learn to learn. And those things and these abilities are very, very important.
I would like to request our respected Anurag sir to please come, motivate the participant and also officially announce the beginning of the hackathon.
Hello everybody. So, long awaited moment has come, right? आज आपके पास ये मेंटर्स हैं और जो जजेस हैं, वो जज यू, कभी वो वहाँ पे होते थे और ये एग्जैक्टली वो सोच रहे हैं जो आप अभी सोच रहे हैं. उनको पता है आप आज क्या सोच रहे हैं. और जब ये आप प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट देंगे ना, तो आप क्या एकदम फिलॉसफी आपकी क्रिएट होगी और आप उसको टेक्निकली उस पर ला के एक रिजल्ट पे पहुंचेंगे. कुछ लोग एज पर द बेल्टर्स फर्स्ट टाइम में आ जाएंगे, कुछ लोग एज पर द रूल्स ऑफ द हैकाथॉन दे विल फील दे आर फेलियर्स। पर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये फेलियर जो है ना, ये आपकी जीरो कॉस्ट पे आप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो, and that is very important for success. The more you face the failures in your career in 4 years, makes you more confident to be a successful man after the career. आज आपने एक फेलियर एक्सेप्ट करी, आपने 10% सक्सेस इंश्योर कर दी, 20% फेलियर करी, आपने 25% इंश्योर कर दी। So fail here, not in the exam. Fail here, not in this, or not in the life. आप सब स्टार्टअप कुछ करना चाहते हो ना, you want to be a startup, everybody. पर स्टार्टअप कैसे होगी? मेरी लाल की ऐसी सपने से तो नहीं होगी ना। You have to work. You have to know what is wrong, what is failure. उसके लिए आप सब यहाँ को आए हो और टेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ दैट, द बेस्ट। ठीक है? ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स। Participating itself is the winning path. ठीक है? ऑल द बेस्ट।
तो मिली जाएगी दोस्तों, भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल तो मिली जाएगी दोस्तों, भटक कर ही सही। गुमराह तो वो है जो कभी घर से निकले नहीं।
Good evening everyone. Myself Pankaj and my project is EcoGuard. It's an autonomous surveillance and management drone.
तो सर, हमने आज एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है जो एडू एआई करियर पे फोकस करता है, जो बेसिकली पूरा एआई बेस्ड करियर सिस्टम है। दिस इज माय एग्री लोगो व्हिच इज बेस्ड ऑन एआई प्लांट डिजीज डिटेक्शन एंड रिस्पांस।
Hello everyone. I have seen a common problem in rural areas and semi-urban areas. I have seen a problem कि जो विलेज के लोग होते हैं वो बिना किसी अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करे सिटीज़ की तरफ जाते हैं। उन्हें पता नहीं होता कि अपॉइंटमेंट कैसे बुक करनी है, कौन से डॉक्टर को उनको विजिट करना है, एंड वो जाके पूरे दिन वेट करते हैं वहाँ पे।
And our project is GOV Assist, which is providing the facility of schemes to the users. So basically, government launches various schemes for the users, for the common people, and somewhere common people are not able to approach those schemes directly because of a lot of misleading information and excessive information is available on the internet.
My name is Himan Khudri and today I am going to present my project on the title of Pragati GPT. Pragati GPT is an AI-based model which works on the basis of to reduce the complexity and gap between the government schemes and the users who want to access them. Now, one of the major problems of today is for the backward society and the farmers that they cannot access any type of government schemes which government is launching for them.
Our project is online FIR filing portal system. Basically, in our Indian society, the main, if you see about the records, the main problem is हमारा per ratio in particular area, number of FIR files as compared to the police station records files बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Good afternoon everyone, good afternoon judges. Myself Rosh Mashru and I am with my team Sentinels, and here we are with our USAR. So what we have developed is we have developed a deep learning model which will categorize the SAR images from grayscale to color. So let me tell you what are SAR images. SAR images are synthetic aperture radar images which are grayscale images captured by satellite at very high altitude. Efficient, like for X-ray,
Good evening everyone. So thanks to Arya College, all the volunteers, all the organizers, all the esteemed guests present here. It's a great event. Personally, I've learned a lot. Great enthusiasm shown by all the participants. From my side, I think we already discussed yesterday that all the participants are winners. But definitely, then we have to announce just top 3. So we have taken a lot of time, but kudos to all of you, and we are thankful that for showing all the enthusiasm out here. Thank you very much.
Hi all, how are you? क्या हाल चाल? बढ़िया, good. So मैं कल की एक ही बात रिपीट करूंगा, जीतने वाले सब लोग हो आप, लेकिन सबको एक ही बात याद रखना है कि कहीं न कहीं आइडिया, एक बड़े बिजनेस हाउस का जन्म सिर्फ इन्हीं जगहों से होता है जो आपके बीच में है। सो दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर। और जो भी आज आपने काम किया है इन 24 घंटों में, मेरा मानना है आप उसको छोड़िएगा नहीं। डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई आपके पास आएगा और आपको कहीं ना कहीं किसी मुकाम पे लेके जाएगा। तो इस बात को हमेशा याद रखिएगा, जो इस हाउस में आपने काम किया है वहीं से दुनिया बनती है। सो थैंक्स टू ऑल, थैंक यू।
I think whatever has been said. I don't want to repeat myself, but again, congratulations to each and every participants who have actually invested time along with their mentors. So congratulations once again. What we are now going to do is we're going to announce the winners. So the second runner-up is
please.
from JCRC. Still any guesses? Team name is Shadowbic. The first runner-up is from ACEIT and the team name is Paracetamol. For the winner team, Sentinels from BTU Bikaner.
On behalf of Arya College of Engineering IT, I thank all of you, all the participants of this event. Those are the winners for this 24 hours Hack Arya Verse, and they have given their valuable time. They have done their brainstorming. They have ideated their innovative ideas and given their full time for the development of them. So participation is as good as the winning. So all of you are very much congratulated from college side also to participate in this event. On behalf of Arya College, I would like to thank all the judges, mentors to give their precious time to be here, to give their valuable input for all the participants for their development of the idea. I would like to thank all the faculty members sitting here. They have given their 24 hours time for the smooth execution of this event. I would like to thank all the associate sponsors, technical sponsors, principal sponsors for making this event successful.